In today's video, I'm going to share with you 4 ways to naturally cure permanently toenail fungus. Find out those 4 steps and a freebie download I'm going to be giving away to all of my viewers. Stay tuned. Welcome everybody, I'm Dr. Melissa Gallagher. I'm so excited to have you join me here today because today's topic is one of our hottest topics for the year of 2018. And because of that, I wanted to revisit this topic and really simplify my protocol for all of you. I'm going to give you 4 very impactful, very important, and very easy home remedies to cure your toenail fungus. Now friends, toenail fungus is one of those things that just doesn't miraculously go away. It involves a lot of effort, it involves daily diligence and focus. And so if you're looking for a quick fix, a magic bullet, a quick pill to take, this is not your video. But if you are looking to remedy toenail fungus permanently, resolving internal and external imbalances that are causing the perfect environment for toenail fungus to take root literally under your nails, then this video is one I think will impact you. If you want to get rid of your toenail fungus immediately and you want to start to kill the fungus that is laying underneath your toenail bed, and fungus, friends, is mold, it's yeast, it's yucky, it's yucky, it's yucky. The only way to really resolve this is a multi-layered approach. So let's dig right on in. My tip number 1 is to keep your toenails and your shoes clean. And that is something that every day you diligently have to make sure you're cleaning and implementing this particular protocol. And again, I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I'm going to be offering all of you a free download link. We're gonna get all of these 4 steps in further detail. So I know that sounds really cheeky by saying, oh, clean your toes and keep your shoes clean. But here's the reality. There's a very specialized way for us to clean our toes and the toenail bed to maintain that, to impart and impact healing that really minimizes the fungus and the kind of keratin breakdown that's occurring if you have a raised, discolored toenail. So there's really 3 steps to this cleaning process for your toenails. You always want to have a toothbrush and you want to use castille soap. Castille soap is very mild but hugely impactful in its antimicrobial, antibacterial properties. This combined with a toothbrush will help you clean each toe. Very, very important to maintain healthy hygiene. Step 2, when you get out of your shower, you just don't want to towel off your toenails. You actually need to make sure that they are dry. This is a really big environmental factor for one of the reasons why toenail fungus flourishes. This is one of the single most impactful things that you can do to minimize the flourishing environment that is created by traditional kind of hygiene regimens. Drying your toenails thoroughly with a hair dryer ensures that there's no damp moistness. Damp, warm environments is the perfect environment. It's like a petri dish for the bacteria, the pathogen that is getting under your toenail and really just causing all that yuckiness, the raised toenail bed, the discomfort. By drying your toenails alone with this regimen, you're gonna notice a huge, huge change. Also, the heat creates an environment where that bacteria does not want to flourish, especially when you're heating. The 3rd step in this regimen is to put tea tree oil on every toe. You want to rub that in, especially on the big toe. Big toes really are the leading toenail that we see more fungus. Similarly, don't forget about your little pinky nail. I happen to have little tiny pinky toenails, but I don't neglect those little toenails because regardless of the size or shape of your toenail bed, there's always the opportunity for bacteria and the fungal environment to flourish and yield toenail fungus. The 2nd step in resolving and curing your toenail fungus is to implement daily foot soaks. I've detailed this in several different videos. I'll link to one up there that you can check out. One of the things that I recommend for my individuals who are really wanting to remedy this, that have that focus, the dedication, do a foot soak every day. Generally, what you're going to find, it takes about 6 to 8 months for the toenail bed to fully move and grow out. What that means is this is not going to be an immediate kind of quick fix, but what you're going to notice by cleaning your toenails and drying them, doing the tea tree oil, and then foot soaking every day with apple cider vinegar and tea tree oil, you're going to notice that the toenail bed, as your toenails are growing out, they're going to start to grow out in a healthy way. You're going to start to see the toenail bed resolve first. That's an excellent sign that the work that you're doing and your commitment to resolving your toenail fungus is working. Once you're done with your foot bath soak, you want to dry your toenails just like I recommended when you're getting out of a shower or a bath. So you want to get your blow dryer and blow your toenails. Once they're fully dry, generally I recommend this foot soak at night. Once they're fully dry, you want to take colloidal silver. You want to spray each toenail. The reason why I recommend involving each toenail, even if you have 1 or 2 that have fungus, toenail fungus spreads, and because of the way the toes are situated and even in footwear, there's a great opportunity for that toenail fungus to jump and move from toe to toe. So managing and focusing on each of your toenails will ensure you resolve and remedy the environment in totality. The third remedy is internally focused, and it is healing your gut by using very strong multi-strain probiotics. Probiotics are one of your key internal fighting resources to minimize bacterial imbalances and to bolster good healthy bacteria, which does not allow and keeps at bay candida and yeast, i.e. mold, from growing underneath your toenails. I promise systemically, probiotics are going to greatly resolve this situation. And here's my trick for you friends. This is the uniqueness of my protocol. Not only do I want you to take daily probiotics, multi-strains, 20, 30 strains of probiotics on a daily basis. What you're going to do before you go to bed, I want you to take the probiotic on an empty stomach. That is going to ensure systemically that you get these probiotics through the whole entire system, and that will greatly resolve what's going on underneath your toes. My fourth and final recommendation is boosting your immune system. We need your immune system to be running on all cylinders, and essentially toenail fungus is an indicator that your immune system has failed you and is not working optimally to combat and remedy and resolve fungus or the viral or bacterial invasion that's going on under your toes. My greatest recommendation for you is an overall comprehensive super immune booster. You can find this in a liquid tincture. It's called My Community. I love this stuff. I actually recommend dosing 20 to 30 drops once or twice a day. If you're dealing with a really intense outbreak, you can bump that dosage up to 3 to 4 times a day. All of the links for these products I recommend, the Colloidal Spray, the Castille soap, you can find them all down below in the description box. Friends, I really encourage you to download this protocol. This protocol has those detailed steps that you can print out and implement on a day-to-day basis. If you do this for 21 days, every day, this is going to become a habit that becomes healing for your toenail fungus situation. Thanks for tuning in. If you are new, I welcome you to subscribe to my channel, and we are releasing videos here in 2019 every Monday and Friday. See you on our next video.